Good morning. This is Martin Wong and back from a long weekend. And I hope that the market find you good as the Bursa as well as the S&P 500 is back. So let's get on to the update that I have for you for the US market. And of course, all our SmartRobie is powered by our Pentagon Guider, which has done very well. And to prove that, we'll talk more as we go on later on. So check out the SmartRobie Momentum Board for the Bursa and also a pre-release statement. We'll be launching our Bursa board, copy SmartRobie for Bursa in maybe in about weeks times or 2 weeks times. We're just getting them ready, so watch out for it. And also our so-called FBM KLSE board that has done pretty decent, I would say that, and check out that performance, the latest one, on our website too. And also those of you interested in our win rate, also it's available there. And this morning I'll touch on how to use SmartRobie, especially those of you onboarding, and this is what you can do with the apps. Basically, you have the trading, the stock idea, the buy call, where the buy stock, and if they have red Pentagon, you want to be thinking of selling them, and it works pretty well, right? And of course, for those of you who want to analyze stocks, there's a stock code study, FATA, and others. And one of the questions people ask is that, why do I have to buy things on Pentagon Guider? Why can't I just buy things that is popular? Now, on the premise of smart, what we call smart money operation, a lot of time, a lot of the popular stocks that we've seen, Magnificent 7 has sort of out of flavor, and you don't want to be holding those stocks. Things don't just work mysteriously, and if you know and believe in what smart money does, basically buying when there is bad news and selling where it's good news, or the more common phase that many of you hear is buy on rumor, sell on fact, and that's the methodology that we work on. And of course, for those of you who wanted to know when the smart money are buying, we actually have an algo Pentagon Guider that gives you the buy call or the green signal through our stock watch list. So check it out in there. Now, we have shown over the years that the Pentagon Guider has a positive edge going forward that can help you if you follow closely the trading strategy that we talk about, taking profit at your TP, and don't want to be buying late, and discipline is important. Having said that, so we also have this what we call stock price discover more like this, where you can find similar stock. If you put on Apple stocks, and there are some that done pretty well, and you can see it from here, like some of these we will show you 2 good one and 1 bad one, and also the sector, the technology sector that hasn't done very well, like we've seen over here. Alright, and for this morning, our focus will be on the US market, which has done very well and very positive for our copy SmartRobie user too. Those of you who have subscribed in here, and of course, the creator of volume spread analysis is Mr. Tom Williams. We have since passed away in here, and great that So this morning sharing will be our tutorial series and also our S&P 500. As you can see from here, let me just show you what I mean as I get on to my chart here. So you can see there are 6 options just behind my head here. You get S&P 500. Let me just push this up. S&P 500. Then you have the Robie FA list, which denote of all the fundamental stock, if you have any. Yes, we have 4 match group, Mossack, Lululemon, right? We know that they are and that's rated. We gotta go in to find out. Rated 5, match is 5, and also eBay is 5. So those are good fundamental stocks, and they are also turned green Pentagon just recently. You can see 19th of February and 20th of February. Check them out. Then we also, so let's go back, and we also have a trending stocks, which is an advanced feature here, right? And you can see from here we have 12 already move up nicely. You can see just next to the Pentagon Guider, move up 3.3%, 6.9%, GE Industrial 6.9%. Here there were 2 during that same time, 9.7%. Howmet 14.4%, 1.2%. Corning has gone up since 15th of January. Wow, look at that one. 48%. 6.7%. Just interested to see how much this guy has moved. And we go on a stock chart. There must be a re-rating in this. Oh, up 7%. So that was last Friday. You can see from the January mark here. That was 16th of January, and this guy just run all the way up. Now you catch one of these stocks. Oh, let me just rotate this on the chart, and you can see going back to 16th or 14th of January. This is now there has been a rotation of the Magnificent Seven. Many of you may observe those stocks from the tech and into the other sectors. So things like Corningware, which is an industrial product, has really benefited. You can see from here 27th January when it start making this big move, and some of these we have caught with our SmartRobie, copy SmartRobie for that one. So that has been great, and that's what it's been designed for, right? We designed to catch those kind of stocks, and of course we also want to view our Pentagon Guider this morning, right? But before that, we view our Pentagon. Let's look at the S&P 500 market today. So we click on that one, S&P 500, and you can see that we closed just 47 points. And let's look at the chart here, and right now you will see it's sort of moving sideways. Okay, moving sideways, not that great, having difficulty to break above the 7,000 mark. You can see here, that's the 7,000 mark. It couldn't break through 7,000 mark, and then you got this 6,008. So the red pentagon was spot on, which is also on the 20th of January, right? And copy SmartRobie did outperform the S&P 500 as the market started to move up, able to pick up some of those stocks that have smart money footprint, right? As you say, smart money footprint, because it can sort of look at these stock above the pickup, and it's done pretty well on this one here. So that's where we are looking at the copy SmartRobie as well as the S&P 500 that we've seen so far. Alright, let's take a look at we saw that one, the top volume one, because the market is closed, so you don't able to see the top volume in advance. Then we go on to the Pentagon Guider. Alright, so for Pentagon Guider, alright, let me just switch this off again. You will see 10 to 12. So we go on to Pentagon Guider, turn on my little here, and you click on that one. There's only one actually. It's a Huntington Ingalls Industry. It's a aerospace and defense, okay, but it's under industrial, and they build aircraft carrier. So with the Iran war, which is going to be happening very soon, initiated by the Trump. But of course, Trump, they also say that they are back in the negotiating table in here. So maybe not. So we shall see what's going to be happening for this. You have this only one stock right now since 19th of February is down 0.5% in here, but that's the stock we actually be looking into. All right, so if you look at the this is the QR code for all our past data. All right, you can scan it. I want to show you where we are. So this is the trade that we have the week before. We have Avery, which was, it did hit 5.4%, 2.9, 3.75. The last couple of trades, which was the 9th of February. Let me just scroll this to the right. Yeah, right. The last time we did this was 6th of February, just before the Chinese New Year. We have 3M. It did hit 5%. So let's take a look at 3M. Hit 3M, and you want to look at stock chart, live prices here, which is up 1.22%. And let me just rotate the chart so you can see here was the green pentagon, and we first discovered, actually it's always best to going in the opening. That's why we have that service, copy SmartRobie, so you're able to get in on the opening price, right? Once the SmartRobie comes out, the key thing is to buy at the opening 167. It did hit high of 179. Okay, that was about giving it how many percent? Let me just push this back, and this back, it will give you about 5%, which is pretty good for 6 to 7. And if you notice, very similar to our copy SmartRobie strategy is to let the trade take place after we have an explosive movement like this. Power did better, 9.1%. So let's take a look at power. So let me bring back the chart here. PWR, hit that one, and you can see stock chart, stock comment. Bring out the chart, and let me just rotate the chart here. So you can see during the green pentagon, which is around here, able to get in on the opening of the next, just immediately after the green bar will be around 551, and right now if you are holding it, right, it should be 554, about a 9.1%. You know, considering the Dow and the S&P 500 hasn't moved much, a 9% really does help. All right. So this morning our pick is Hill. That's the one, and we'll come back 2 weeks time and see how well they would fare. All right. And of course you want to go through the usual so-called due diligence, or another way of looking at it is how you want to check out the feed. All right, put in Hill, put in the FA rating. Okay, the FA rating, this one I will know is NA. Okay, it's aerospace. TA is 90, and looks pretty good. If you think it's pretty good, then we'll go ahead. But also at the same time, you want to check out with the S&P 500 the overall background behind it, which is red pentagon. U.S. court has repealed Trump tariff, and now Trump puts a blanket 15%. And the funny thing is that since it is illegal, all right, the Trump tariff, does that mean Trump have to return, or U.S. have to return all the tariff money back to those countries? And I think that's not going to be happening in there. So a lot of, maybe it looks like a good victory for the rest of the world, right? Then the buy call, what you want to do is to go to, all right, this, and go to Hill, hit that one, go to the trading plan, hit trading plan, and the buy call will come up. So you can see from here, buy call is, buy rating is 3 out of 5, and buy call is 19th of February, valid to 24th of February, which is probably tonight. All right, that's the one. And entry price is 446, below 446, and stop loss is 395. Holding period 6 to 8 weeks. But if you copy SmartRobie, it's a very short trade, and we are looking for that momentum. You know, should we get it from there? All right. Then that's the things I want to cover for that one. So here are the past trades. I think we've done that already. And Pentagon Guider is the choice for all our trades in here to get in, and hopefully we get some trend like the stocks PWR Power or Quanta, the family name in here. All right, so we done that. And for our Muslim friend, check out the HLAL, where you get all the website from wahid.com, where you should able to see whether this stock is halal or not, right? Before you buy that, and you can go to it's only about 220. S&P 500 is about 500. So SmartRobie uses the Pentagon Guider that simplified the technical and all positive forward-looking ratings. Okay, and you can set up the watch list for any of the Pentagon Guider according to the exchange of choice that you have, and then you're able to get notified when the buy and sell signal comes in. All right, a very easy way going forward. I want to talk a bit about the success, which is very well, as the market started to rotate out from the S&P 500, we were able to catch it. So far, if you look back in year 2025, it's only 12.5%. And right now, just for the January-February month, it's 24.6%. So that's pretty good. Now, let's hope that this momentum will also sustain in the coming months. We are still in the beginning of the early months, and January has been reaping profit. Seagate, there was a trade for 28%, and then we also score big for Teradyne for 14.8%. And these are the apps. You can see that, right? US Boat 60 is the name of the generic. Soul Power, and that was the stock we actually also picked on this last live SmartRobie show. We sold CAT at 11.85. So all these are ultimately done by SmartRobie in here. We got Terra close at 11, FedEx close at 13%, and that's all in the app, right? So copy SmartRobie. Let's look at the result which I talk about. We are able to pick a couple of great gold balls, the 10 above the 10%, FedEx, Seagate, Teradyne, Comfort 4.5, and since inception, Copy Smart was 27%. Compared to S&P 500, that was a couple of weeks in here, and that's pretty good. One of the reasons why is because we have seen the rotational play. A lot of weak hands who couldn't stay away with the losses, the consecutive losses in November. That's why you need to buy small, and then you're able to copy it. So the whole point is to copy SmartRobie, and that's the takeaway in here. Now, why copy SmartRobie? You can do paper trade first, see how that strategy fits you in here, and be enabled to master your confidence and practice those strategy. I think it's always been one of the ways in here. How it goes is that you have a size of 10,000 US, and then you trade 3,000 US per trade, and you go on that, and it's only 10 ringgit a month to subscribe for 3 months. Okay, and this is the result. So I'm just going to show you the result here. These are the past trades. So let me just go onto the website here. Copy SmartRobie. So you go to tradevsa.com, which is our website, and you can see we also have the Bursa, which later when I have time I'll go through with you, but I'm going to go through this Copy SmartRobie US market. So you can see from here, and this is so all our results are here, well published. You can see 2025, the monthly returns 5%, and that's a gain. Right, you don't win all the months. 2026 was great. First time we hit 19%, and we actually showed you. All right, right now February is 5%. It may go up and will go down until all the trade for the month of February closes. But compared to S&P 500, definitely we were way ahead out there. Right, so you can see this is months going forward, and right now win rate is about 57%. Profit factor 1.5 so far. Grand total return of 37%. See, the market actually started in, I think we started in April last year, 2025. It goes through this, every single trade you can see, a Netflix, Schlumberger, Moody, PepsiCo, and then from here onwards, that was that drawdown that we saw in the month of December, and then January came, started January 16, and pick up all the way, pick it up. I think it was going to flatten out very soon, somewhere around here. It's not going to go parabolic, all right? And if you look back, this is all the trades. The recent one that we closed is MCorp, and you can look at the charts here. All are Pentagon driven. Buy here, sell here. All right, you can see here. Quanta is the one, buy here, sell here. But the market did go higher, right? You saw all those, that too here. Norfolk, FedEx, that's a 113%. Caterpillar, 11%. And these are the couple of go ball. Okay. Platinum ball was that 28% here, but before that we also have some losses in here, and that's been very great, that result. So going forward, we will continue to report to you how well the Copy SmartRobie has performed in here. So this kind of trade, we are very transparent, as you can see before, the entry buy in here. So the whole point of Copy SmartRobie is to, many times because of the market, people look at just the Magnificent 7 and they are felt by the emotion, but there are many individual stocks that you may not look at, and that's where the SmartRobie is able to have the algorithm to pick up those things in here. So perfect, those who want to learn about US market, learning, mirroring, trading in there, and you gain that confidence in here. So you can subscribe to it, right? So you can win with bot 60, all our buy and sell calls sent to you. All right. For those of you who want to join our premium membership to have more hands holding in here, we have this in here, and we are releasing some new features in here. A lot of great success story you can see beforehand, and you can also sign up for our free newsletter on our website here. So YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to it, right? And that's about it. If you have any stocks that you want me to take a look at it, feel free to pencil in here, even if it's a Malaysian stocks. If not, I bid you a good trading ahead, and I think the US market should continue to ride on, following by the Copy SmartRobie strategy that you've seen so far. Thank you for coming. I thank you for your time. There won't be any live Facebook this Wednesday, as I will be away for a business meeting, but we will meet up for our member live training tonight. So I'll see our members in here. As such, good morning and happy trading. All right, join our Telegram chat room for that. Bye-bye.